How to iterate over a list in chunks. I have a Python script which takes as input a list of integers, which I need to work with 4 integers at a time. Unfortunately, I don't have control of the input, or I'd have it passed in as a list of 4-element tuples. Currently, I'm iterating over it this way. It looks a lot like cthink, though, which makes me suspect there's a more Pythonic way of dealing with this situation. The list is discarded after iterating, so it needn't be preserved. Perhaps something like this would be better. Still doesn't quite feel right, though. Skeptical. Related question: how do you split a list into evenly sized chunks in Python?
Modified from the Recipes section of Python's itertools docs. Example. Note: on Python 2 use isip_longest instead of zip_longest.
Works with any sequence.
Another way.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.